Hi, this is Jeff at Mahomet Car Connection. I thought I'd just take just a second to show you a real cheap and easy way, fast way to see how your tires are doing. It's the old penny test, and here I have old Abe on the penny here, and here I have a new tire, of course, and you can see that if I insert the penny in this tire, just all of it disappears. But like I say, this is a brand new tire, and it's a truck tire, so it's got deep tread. This is pretty much a wore out tire here, but I'll show you. The idea is you put the head of Lincoln upside down into the tread, and ideally you should not be able to see more than, say, if you can see his whole head or even half of his head, you're pretty much know you're wore out. This tire is wore out. It's down to what we call the wear bars, which you can see here, which are even with the tread. And like I say, you can see too much of old Abe's head here. If his head had disappeared, you'd be okay. But when you can see half of his head or more, you're pretty much on the wore out end of things. So just a real quick way that you can tell how your tires are. Just use this, and come see us if you see too much old Abe's head. Come see me, and we'll take care of you with all your tire needs. Thank you.